News Live Storm Team.
All right, a little brief shower for many of us to start the day here in the Red River Valley, but heading into the afternoon and evening, we have some isolated thunderstorm activity. One of those storms just now passing to the south of the Grafton area. A severe thunderstorm warning has been canceled for the Marshall County, Minnesota area, but Walsh County continues to see the storm moving south. The warning is in effect until 7 o'clock. The storm remains quite strong. Large hail, the primary threat from this cell. And there is rotation showing up with this cell as we're picking up here. This is called a tornado vortex signature from the cell as it moves southward. This is a dangerous enough storm with the large hail and gusty winds it can cause. So as it approaches your area, seek shelter in that interior room, staying away from the windows, and it might not be a bad idea because it's rotating to seek shelter in the basement if you can, on the lowest floor if you happen to live in an apartment. Again, the thunderstorm warning until 7 o'clock, and it does look like it's moving toward the Minto area by 6:28. It's moving south at 14 miles per hour with that potential for 1-inch diameter hail. Just off to the west of Grand Forks now, moving along Highway 2, not far from Larimore, another thunderstorm cell. No recent lightning with this cell, so heavy rain, possibly some small hail from that. And also we're seeing a couple of areas of thunder shower activity dashed across the map from Barnes County through Steele County. All of these are moving east. Storms are 30 miles from Grand Forks, and the Valley City storm out there in western Barnes County, 75 miles from Fargo. Will we see them in Grand Forks and Fargo? It's not likely, but I expect it to remain isolated. Here's a look at that Grafton storm when it was near Laurel. Thank you for sharing this gorgeous photo. The supercell thunderstorm, very heavy rain shaft and hail potential with this cell, and it continues to move south with that risk for a possible tornado because it's tightly spinning. Now, speaking of tornadoes, you can barely see it here, but there's a very thin funnel cloud captured by Brianna. Said she saw 2 funnel clouds, one possibly touching down. That was near Wimbledon in northeast Stutsman County. 70 in Fargo and in Moorhead. Wind is from the south at about 10 miles per hour. It's fairly dry with dew points in the 50s. We have a 73-degree reading in Grand Forks. Not hazy, just some lumpy, bumpy clouds in and around the skyline heading into your evening. Temperatures between 70 and 75 degrees in eastern North Dakota, 79 Aberdeen, and we have cooler weather from Bemidji and Wadena through Becker County and the Lakes area thanks to those showers that we had in Fargo this morning. Sliding out there, clouds and sprinkles throughout the afternoon, keeping things a little more cool for our eastern neighbors. Hazy skies most prominent up to the north near Devil's Lake and Grand Forks. Tonight, the storms will continue to pass through. I think they're going to be hit and miss at most. Isolated, not anticipating widespread severe, but that storm up north of Grand Forks still continues to be a strong one. Overnight, temperatures slip into the 50s. A comfortable night with the thunderstorms diminishing. We rise and shine with some sunny skies and haze moving into the valley as we go through the day, and temperatures rising. Mid-70s for your lunch hour, low 70s in Lakes Country, and again 80s possible in the afternoon. So the heat building into the valley for your Thursday with a hazy sky, maybe even possibly the smell of smoke once again in the FM area. 57 to start your day. Temperatures in the midday hour near 70 degrees, and we'll see those temperatures rise into the mid-80s by the afternoon. 3 o'clock temperatures near 80 to 85 west of the Red River, to the east 75 to 80 for a lovely Thursday afternoon. Here's that smoke forecast Thursday afternoon. It looks like the Red River Valley could see or smell some surface smoke in the forecast. It just won't be as thick as it has been. Gorgeous shot, Tracy Hayes. Thanks for capturing this near Park Rapids. Planning forecast. Looks hot Friday, Saturday, and Sunday with temperatures near 90 degrees from the Red River and points west. I think we remain hazy through the weekend with hit and miss weekend thunderstorms. Next week, though, I think that haze turns into that stinky smoke near the surface.
Oh.
That's possible Monday through Wednesday. Those fires continue to rage in Canada and Alaska.
All right, thanks, Hutch.
Mayor of Thompson called, says to the residents of her town, do not use water if you can hold back on it because there's a sewer main break in town. It happened this afternoon. Crews are working on it. This will go into the evening. Coming up later in sports, the Minnesota Twins shake up their lineup before their finale with the Orioles. Alex will be in with highlights.
And up next, saving lives can be easy if you're willing to give up a couple of hours a week.